Alright, so as you can see now, I'm getting the juices going. Look at all those bubbling juices. It's going to taste great when it's done. May have burnt it a little bit, but I've kind of learned where the hot spot is when I cook with this thing. So in this corner, it always seems to be hotter than the rest of the pan. So I'll just keep the beef away from there. And any of the new bacon cuts I put on, I'll put over there to get them caught up. And pretty soon, we're going to have some awesome tacos. Now, when you're making my special Thanksgiving Day tacos, you're going to have a certain number of ingredients. So we got the bacon, got the beef. I recommend this. Some shredded cheese. You'll see what this is for later. Of course, you need some sour cream. Look at that. And this is a special one. So not everybody will like this, and not everybody likes bacon on theirs either. But I usually go all out, and definitely if you want to go all out on Thanksgiving Day tacos, you're going to want this. That'll give it some extra bite. I like things nice and hot. And of course you can't make tacos without the show. Just sit back and enjoy the show. Pretty soon we'll have some tacos. I might have extra because I am cooking a lot of beef at once. But that's okay. If you've got extra, you can share them with other people or just pack them on your lunch for work. So I'd rather have too much food than too little, right? That's not really a problem, especially if the food's delicious. So just sit back, enjoy those juices cooking. Pretty soon we'll have some nice tacos. Man, I love the sound of that juices cooking.